Well, I'm not the kind to run and hide. When I come close to danger, I ain't never been afraid to take the fall. Yeah, I'll fall. I'll walk the wire through rain and fire, go fast and I'll go slow. Somehow I get stronger through it all. It's a death-defying life I lead, but I take my chances. I die for living in the movies and TV. But the hardest thing I'll ever do is watch my leading ladies kiss some other guy while I'm bandaging my knee. Well, I might fall from a tall building, I might roll a brand new car, 'cause I'm the unknown stuntman who'd die to have your heart. I've never spent much time in school, oh, but I did my learning. I drug my heart through a burning ring of fire. Oh, I've been hurt and I've been broken down, but somehow I'm still yearning, 'cause through it all, she's still on my mind. Well, I might fall from a tall building, I might roll a brand new car, 'cause I'm the unknown stuntman who'd die to have your heart.
Well, I'm not the kind to kiss and tell, but I've been seen with fire up. I've never been with anything less than a 9. So fine, I've been on fire with Sally Field, gone past with a girl named Bo, but somehow they just don't end up as mine. It's a death-defying life I lead. I take my chances. I die for living in the movies and TV. But the hardest thing I ever do is watch my leading ladies kiss some other guy while I'm bandaging my knee. I might fall from a tall building, I might roll a brand new car, 'cause I'm the unknown stuntman that made Redford such a star. I've never spent much time in school, but I taught ladies plenty. It's true, I hire my body out for pay. Hey, hey, I've gotten burned over Cheryl Teagues, blown up for Raquel Welch. But when I wind up in the hay, it's only hay. Hey, hey, I might jump an open drawbridge or Tarzan from a vine, 'cause I'm the unknown stuntman that makes Eastwood look so fine.